Hi guys, magandang araw. So for today, I'm standing here at the province of Benguet, particularly here at Madaymen, Kibungan, and this place considered as the coldest place here in the province, and also it is the coldest place here in the Philippines. And guys, due to its cold weather, most especially during months, it's very cold in this place, and guys. And the source of living here are planting different kinds of vegetables, such as cabbages, carrots, potatoes, wombok, radish, and whatever kinds of vegetables that you can grow in here. So as you can see at my back, there are a lot of garden terraces over there, and they plant different kinds of vegetables. Ayan siya guys. And of course, as you can see at my back, there are a lot of strawberries in here. So actually, you can pick fresh strawberries here, fresh vegetables from the farm. Ituturo ko kayo guys. Let's tour around this place. Many years ago, this place was mountains and full of trees. But as years passed by, they made garden terraces. So as you can see all over there, it's all garden terraces. They made from the mountain. And they plant different kinds of vegetables, and the one we can see in here are potatoes. So they are harvesting potatoes in here, and let's go and see. Yan guys, these are the potatoes. Yan, ang dami. Actually, we can harvest potatoes 3 months to 4 months from the day we planted it. Ganyan siya guys. And after 3 months, ganito na sila. Ganito sila kalaki. Yan. So as you can see, there's no leaves already. The leaves was dried. And that's the perfect time that we need to harvest it. And when we harvest, we use this kind of thing. It's made by wood, just used to dig the soil. Ganyan lang siya guys. Yan. Planting is not easy, but as they say that if you plant something, you have something to harvest in due time. Yan guys. And that's the life of a farmer in here. And as you can see, they also plant strawberries in there. Yan. Potatoes, cabbages, radish, carrots, and whatever kinds of vegetables in there. And in this side, you can find watercress. So actually, watercress grow in the water. But here is in the canal where we put the water. And let's take some for viand. So everywhere in this place you can see garden terraces. And that's the view in here. What you can find in this place are garden terraces, different kinds of vegetables, and they are fresh from the farm, strawberries, and of course the cold weather. You can experience the cold weather, cold breeze of air, and you can find some mountains in here, trees. Yeah. And of course, there are a lot of wild plant in here. Just like this one. It's a wildflowers. Thank you guys for watching.